Welcome to our class, everyone. I wanted to show you just a quick little tutorial of where you can find information. So we're in the Start Here to begin with, to begin our class. So there will be information in here for you to review before you do anything else. So please take a look at Start Here. And then we can go over to weekly modules. This is where all of your modules will be for the week. All the assignments and supplementary information will be contained within these modules, and they'll look like this. So each week there will be a module released, and then you'll get to work on all of the assignments and information in those modules. So there will be supplementary handouts, textbook readings, discussion board, and other projects and assignments. Okay, so that's what they'll look like. So each week you'll just click right into there. Please do let me know if you have any questions or concerns. I'm always happy to help. I look forward to working with all of you.